Okay, taxi is here. Okay. Good luck. Thanks. I hope everything will be alright. And it will be right. Yeah. Yeah, I hope. Hello, young lady. Where I can bring you? Please, on this paper, there's the address. Oh, yes. I know this address. Oh, really? I know where it is, you know. Okay, we can now. We have to drive a lot of time. No, it's not far away. It's here. Yes, young lady, it's here. Then, thank you. Do I have to wait for you when you will be ready and to drive you home? Yes, that would be great. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Come in. Who are you? Are you Jim Delando? Yes. But who are you and what are you doing in my house? Can you tell me something about your family? Why? Just because I'm asking. No way. I don't tell anyone about my family if I don't know who is that person. I will just tell my name. Oh no, I will not tell my name. Why? Why I have to tell you about my family if you can't tell your name to me? Do you have a daughter? A daughter? Sure, I don't have a daughter. You're sure that you don't have a daughter? Yes, I am. I'm sure I don't have a daughter. You're really sure that somewhere are some girl that actually are your daughter? can't believe I'm talking with my dad. Okay, I will tell you